Ah, golden hour on the rooftop. Nothing beats this.
Agreed. Just us, the pool, and zero chaos.
Yoink! This float's mine now. Careful, Vela! Don't trip over the chairs!
You focus on catching him.
The sudden blackout transforms the pool deck into a glowing sci-fi scene.
Is this supposed to happen?
Cool! It's like we're in a sci-fi movie.
Through teamwork, the trio restores order to the pool deck.
If we pull together, we can fix this.
All right. I'll grab the floaties.
Well, that was an adventure!
See you next time, everyone.